Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can how you can catch the Frostspore Postman butterfly in Heartopia. So this is a new butterfly in the winter event, the winter season event. This is week 3, I think. So basically, you're going to join Naniwa's butterfly event, his frost why is this so hard for me to say? His Frostpore butterfly event. Basically, you're just going to wait for him to start the event and you're just going to start catching butterflies. So in the first phase, there's only the Silkowski, sorry, the Silkowski's butterfly, the Queen Alexandra one, and the Mother of Pearl one. That is in phase 1. Phase 2, you'll see the purple spotted swallowtail. And then in phase 3, as you can see here, you'll see this beautiful red butterfly, and it is the Frostspore Postman butterfly, and you're just going to catch it. Super simple, but I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.